Hello learners, welcome to Sure Question Academy. Please watch the videos, like and subscribe to the channel.
Hello students. Welcome back. Today we are looking at a very important descriptive question about the magnetic field around a straight conductor. Let's read the question carefully. We need to draw a diagram showing the magnetic field lines on a horizontal sheet of paper due to a straight conductor carrying current vertically upwards. We also need to mark the current direction and the corresponding magnetic field lines. Finally, we must state the right-hand thumb rule and verify our diagram. Got it? Let's view the complete answer. First, let's take a look at the diagram. Here is our setup. A straight conductor passes through a horizontal plane. Notice the arrow pointing upwards, indicating the current direction. Around it, we draw concentric circles to represent the magnetic field lines. Using the right-hand thumb rule, since the current is upwards, the field lines are drawn counterclockwise. Now, let's formally state the right-hand thumb rule. According to this rule, if you imagine holding a current-carrying wire in your right hand with your thumb pointing towards the direction of the electric current, then the direction in which your fingers curl gives the direction of the magnetic field lines. Finally, checking our diagram, yes, the counterclockwise direction marked perfectly aligns with the right-hand rule. We have secured full marks. Great job! Visualizing these rules makes them so easy to remember. Happy learning!